Hello there, guys. Welcome back. We are now at the stage that we have all the character is being weight painted. So you can check here, it's all being weight painted. I created all the controls like I showed in the last class. We got the IK controls, we got the FK controls. It's pretty much all the basic control we're gonna need for creating the rig. So next thing I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start quickly explain to you guys what is the reason we created exactly those IK, FK joins in one of the few classes ago. So I'm just gonna go here into general editors, and I'm just gonna go here into hierarchy, and I'm just gonna draw it in this a little bit bigger here. So just remember that when we started working on the shoulder, let me move this. So the left shoulder here, and just remember that we created an extra sort of we have the skeleton. Yeah, we got scapula now. We got shoulder, the clavicle. From the clavicle comes down two more joints, which is the IK joint, which is the same left shoulder underscore, and then we put the IK at the end, suffix at the end. We have the FK as well. So we have two joints. We have the IK and the FK. So if we take the IK, or the FK in this case, so you can see there's another one right on top of that, and there's another one. Let me just scroll it down here. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to when we're doing the IK system, we're going to be rigging this set of joints. Double click here. I think if you just expand all, then it just opens all of them. And when we're going to be working, that will be pretty much working to rig this joint and this control and this control at the back. So this is the IK elbow, and this is the IK hand control, or left arm control. And when we are rigging the FK, that would be these joints that are here. So, and that would be working with these controls right here. So the way this works is that we have one sort of master control of just hierarchy, which is the original one that we created here, the left shoulder. That's the one that has all the fingers. We're not gonna do this with the fingers because the fingers are gonna work from here onwards, no problem. So it's a matter of having a system that when you say switch from one to another, then these joints will pretty much start working with this and then working with the other one. So you can work with the IK or the FK. And for that, we're just gonna put a little control in this implicit sphere control. We're going to create like a little attribute that says IK FK switch, and then we just switch between 1 and 0. So 1 goes to IK and 0 goes to FK, or vice versa. It doesn't depend how you, it doesn't matter. It just depends how you're going to do that. So now the next thing we need to do is just in order for that to work, we have to use something called set-driven keys. That's something that we'll be explaining in class, but it's pretty much just creating orient constraints. So it's just quickly, briefly here. Set-driven keys. We need to create. First, we need to create the orient constraint. So pretty much we have to create a orientation constraint on this joint chain that is controlled. Pretty much this is a slave, and this is 2 are going to be the master. The IK and the FK are going to be the master, and this is going to be the slave. And this is the guy that's going to be switched between these two. So we have to create an orient constraint between these two masters, the IK chain and the FK chain, to the slave, that is the one that is bound to the skin. So when we switch this guy from 1 to 0, then this guy is going to go back to IK or going back to FK. And that we need to do it with, first we need to do the constraining, which is the orient constraint for every single one of the joints. And then we have to do the set-driven key, which is the one that is going to, based on this little attribute that we're going to put here, is going to switch between all of them. So when this is 0, all of them are going to go to, this guy is going to switch, like for example, this guy here is, if I say IK, this guy is going to go back to there. When I say IK or FK, when I go back, and it goes back to the other one. So we will be switching between those two. And pretty much what we're going to be switching is the two masters that is going to control this slave chain in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, before I go into that, I'm just going to put this back into the way it was, and then on the next class I'm going to show you how to set up the constraining, and then I'm gonna show you how to set up the set-driven key system, and then we're gonna move into do the rig for the arm in the IK, the FK, and then for the end we're gonna create the attribute that's gonna be switching between the IK and the FK. Alright guys, thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you.